You know what? The embroidered balls of the Zhuang ethnic group used to be weapons. During the spring and autumn period and the warring state period, people threw the ancient bronze weapon called fei tuo when they were fighting and hunting. After the Tang Dynasty, fei tuo was developed into handmade embroidered fabric balls. People threw the balls to each other for entertainment in their leisure time, and it has gradually become a way for young men and women of the Zhuang ethnic group to express their affection. Traditional embroidered balls are mostly red, yellow, and green, with auspicious patterns embroidered on the petals and grains and sawdust filled inside. The production process is complicated and time-consuming. Today, the updated version of embroidered balls still features 12 petals, but the production process has been relatively simplified. They are sewn from fabrics with ethnic patterns and filled with cotton instead. Therefore, they are diverse in colors and soft to the touch. In addition, various spices can be put into the embroidered balls. All of these have made the embroidered balls a favorite among the public. Traditional embroidered balls or upgraded embroidered balls, which do you prefer?